Hello guys, do you wish to make a cinematic slide like this? Make sure to watch the video till the end because we are going to follow a step-by-step tutorial to make this awesome slides using 3 tools. So we are going to use ChatGPT, Microsoft PowerPoint and Leonardo AI to make this following slides. So without wasting any time, let's start. Alright, first let's go to ChatGPT and type the prompt in order to create the slides which we are looking for. Create a PowerPoint presentation. For the British Empire. You can add in more prompts if you want, or else make it very simple. Alright, here we go. The ChatGPT have generated the slides for us. Now we need images as well. Images for making the slides more and more awesome. So once when you're done with the slides, create another prompt to generate the required images in order to add in your background. So use the following prompt. Create a prompt for generating an image of British Empire map. Alright, here we go. So type in the required tool as well. It's Leonardo AI. Alright, we have got the prompt for the images. Now create another prompt to generate another image for the same PPT. This time you can generate the British colonies and buildings. Here we have got 2 responses. Select any one which you need. Alright, now copy the prompt and paste it in the AI tool, which could generate the images for you. Once the image has been generated, here you got multiple options. Select any one which you need. Once you have selected the first image, download it and repeat the same process for generating the second image as well. Alright, here we go. Now again select any one image and click on download button. Alright, now before we move on to PPT, we need the Clouds PNG image as well. So go to Google, type on Clouds PNG and make sure that the image is transparent and save it. Once done, now let's move to PPT. Alright, now delete the text boxes which is not needed. Click on format background and change the color into black. Once done, insert the downloaded images into the slide. Here you need to insert the first image which has been generated from the AI tool. Make sure that the image has been adjusted as follows so that you can have strong movements while you are creating the PPTs once you apply for the Morph transitions. Once the image is added, create a gradient layer outside the image. Now once when the shape is created, make sure to apply the proper gradients in the shape. For this you can use eyedropper tool as well. Once the layer has been created, make sure to adjust it as follows in the picture. Alright, job done. Now insert the required text and format it according to the slide's requirement. Here we go. Then you can add the clouds PNG as well. Now before we move on to slide 2, enter the content that is required for slide 2 in slide 1 and make sure to place it outside the slide so that you can apply the morph transition and see great results. Alright, now duplicate it. And adjust the text images as follows so that it looks really great once when you apply for the morph transition. And also make some adjustments in the background image as well.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
Alright, here's the output.
People feeling like the light has just come.
Now in order to move the background images or to keep the background images in motion, let's make the following changes. Remove the gradients and displace the background image a bit. Now this makes the slides more and more amazing.
We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah,
Alright, job done.
we'll never be alone.
Let's move to slide 3.
The beauty of the world.
Create a new slide and delete the text boxes and other things.
Savannah,
Also format the background into white. Now insert the second image which has been generated from AI. Apply the gradients.
gone and come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go
Always
back
use
to
eyedropper tool
where we were
in order to get proper and good gradients as well.
as we stand.
Make sure to place the
Let's
layer
go back to
properly in the
where
image.
we swung. Kids across the land.
Once done, make sure to insert one more image which has been generated from AI to make the slides more and more fascinating,
Savannah, we'll never
and apply the same gradients as well.
Savannah, the
You can still drag the previous slides layer as well. If at all, you can create the new one for the particular image.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah,
Once done, insert the contents that is required for slide 3 as follows. And make sure to do all proper adjustments
let's all take
for the lines, for the dates and year. And also remember that these contents has been generated from ChatGPT. So you can take the required contents for your slides from the ChatGPT.
Savannah, I'm
Let's make some small adjustments.
Savannah,
Make sure that the process is very smooth. Now let's make a one gradient layer for the two slides so that the output will become much smoother and better as well. Now before that, make sure that there is no gap between the first image and second image in the slide 3 and add the gradient layer. Now duplicate the slide and displace the contents as follows. Now before that, keep the gradient layer aside so that you can make the adjustments on the text very comfortably. Now before we displace the text, we need to displace the image as well. Here's how we could do that. Make sure that the image of the third slide is on the left and the other images on the right. Now replace the text as follows. Alright, here are certain adjustments we have to make. Once done, place the gradient layer back to the slides. Now apply the morph transitions for slide 4 and check how it works. And for slide 3, make sure that you have zoom transition, and for slide 2 you have morph transition again, and see how the slide works. Here we go. Alright, job done. Thanks for staying till the end and watching the tutorial. Hope it helps, and for further more tutorials, make sure to stay tuned and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.